These are Clecos. Yeah, these things are super cool. So drill like just an 1/8 inch hole between both panels, and then like those little fingers come back and spread out, and so it holds your panels together. And it's like I'll eventually be putting weld nuts down there, but it's good because like, it keeps your center line, and then it's just good for easy in and out. And if you have to change it, you don't have something welded in, you know. But yeah, I'm just putting in the this little trap door. So we're gonna hide some electronics and wiring and stuff back here. Our battery is kind of up in the corner in this panel. So we need to be able to access that, and then some other electronics and stuff that we're gonna hide in there. So yeah, just getting this thing kind of mocked up where it'll sit in place. Make sure you got enough room for your feet still. This is all new stuff, so a lot of it, well, I mean, the car had a battery before, obviously, but it was up in the engine bay and just kind of exposed and just kind of looked ugly. So we found a new home for the battery. So wanted to hide that, and then all electronic stuff, it's getting all new, like modern day electronics. But again, we want to make it look nice. And another thing with Chip is like, he wants to hide stuff and not have any hardware exposed. So it's another thing we're trying to work on with having this little trap door. Ideally, when you look in here, you're not going to know it's there, except for, you know, maybe one little seam, but there won't be any hardware exposed. And we'll have it on some sort of like a magnetic detent or something. So it'll have like a, you know, a slight push pop, and then I've got like a little, just a finger grip back there. So I'll pull this door down, then you can get to your fuses, or like I said, some other stuff we're gonna plan on mounting up there on the firewall. You want it to look like how it originally was, with slight differences. You know, we're not trying to make it a completely different car. So we still want it to look the same, look original, but have slightly little touch-ups on it. So that's what we're going for on that. Yeah.